Yes, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Are we again? Listen, today I come to talk about John on my tripod. Nah, okay, right now. Give me a second there. Fix him up. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, today we come to talk about the Romeich situation. You know me I say, and the beating when put on TJ Tug. You know me I say, and him lady. What I say about that is, Romeich, I went things you turn bad man. Look at money we wanna make start get to the head. All of a sudden, man we never used to be thugs and gangster and bad man. All of a sudden when they get look at money. When the MO change now. When they turn done. When they start beat up people. You see me? And if a man disagree with you, when they send man go page man. But like me say, don't be no for frightened. You see me? Because there's no way me as a man I go take that. No care how much you apologize. And me see you apologize for waiting name there. Pan social media today. And the only reason why you apologize are because everybody start lick out on you. See? And you know how serious it is. And you know so the man can sue you. And get a bunch of money from you. If me and my boy, that's the first thing me da do. And then me da deal with your case, bro. You see me? Boy, your face damn bright, virgin. You make your friend them beat up the man and punch up the man in the face, dog, and then beat up the man, woman, and then you gonna say you never have nothing to do with it, and the man them where they run you. That not have nothing to do with nothing, because you are the leader. If you did say, yo, I wanna do, let go that bridging. See? Even though me know say people ignorant and man love go and show off and them are gonna try to do everything in them power to make you see them as a man. Like, yeah, that brother here is a stand-up guy and I want him around me and this and that. Most likely, at that them I do it for. You look at you that friend them. You see me? You look at you that friend them. Attack the man. You see me? Attack the man and beat up the man and him girlfriend, virgin. You see me? And the man is a YouTuber with the outer street and them boy they not a name. You see me? And them a beat up man. So, my question to you is, are you a gangster? And who's these gangsters around you that enter you disagree with people? Them can just see man and punch man at them face and do all kind of thing. Because if I me never had take that. Now boy, now punch me in my face like that, especially if I hear a friend them bridging. Me never had take that. One out somebody that go feel it, bro. Me I tell you, doping over frightened. You see me? You know have the audacity to beat up the man and the woman. What did the man woman do to you? For you put on a hand pan her. You see me? What did the man woman do to you for you put on a hand pan the man woman? This is what me I try to find out because, listen Romeich, you as a public figure should not be putting yourself in this kind of situation. And the people that around you, if these are the type of people that around you, quick and fast, you're gonna be canceled. Because we are living in a day and age right now of the internet and cancel culture. And if you do not be careful of these people that you have around you, that's creating havoc. So that social media and the world can see and display. Sooner or later, you're going to fall from grace. So you got to think about what you're doing, bro, and it's going to cost you a whole heap of money. If these are the type of behavior you planning on displaying in Jamaica, thinking above the law. You see me? Because when we are youth, we are do certain things. And that's how the thing go, bro. No, and that's how the thing go, bro. Una move loose. The whole of una move loose, bro. I mean, I know say I went things entertainer turn bad man. Me know say bad man can turn entertainer, but me never know say an entertainer can turn bad man. Because it never gonna work. You can't juggle both of them. Because you have to be at this spot at one point. So anytime a man can come show up at that same spot there. Because you're going to on flyers and you're on promotion all over radio, TV, all kind of thing. So all you figure say you can be a bad man and a gangster at the same time. It will never work. One of them is going to cause you your demise. So I don't know what you are trying to portray, bro. You know what I mean? I say I have a good thing going right now with Shensia. You see me? Shensia, I mash up the whole world right now. And I gain traction. What you need to do is take the money the way you have and build up the whole of Kingston. You see me? You become the prime real estate owner of Kingston because you have the money to do that. You see me? That's what you need to focus on. You see me? And get people to fly in a Jamaica to come rent out them place there. All of them big celebrity people that you have as friend. Build some condo at Jamaica where you can rent or sell these people. You know what I say? Monetize the whole Kingston. And give people job and do all kind of them thing that. Them thing they need for your focus on, brother. But you send man go beat man. I wish a boy would ever try that with me, bro. And then I go see the real side of blood clot me. I wish a man would have tried that with me. Well, them say enough for wish for too much things. You know what I say? But, Jaja, me not say how. Me would have sit back and make that slide, bro. Me not take that. No way me I take that. You diss me on one thing, bro, but you diss me woman too. At the same time, joke on argument, bro. Joke on argument, bro. Must joke on argument. I mean, I don't know what kind of thing them entertainer you depend from the other day, from Popcorn to Romeich, and waiting them they come like you don't have too much money and you just want to give somebody some of the money. You see me? If that are the problem, bro, you go build a foundation, man. You know me I say and give back to the community, bro. If you think I just go beat up some people and everybody go say, oh, Popcorn and Romeich and certain man a bad man, you know, because you see what them are doing on the street. Bro, you look like clown, the whole of you. The whole of you look like clown. Because none of you never they in the street and do them thing there before you get money. So all of a sudden now you get some money, the whole of you they in the street act like so a gangster and bad man. It a go cost, you know, a whole lot sooner or later. Because I now wish bad for you, know, brother. I want to wish bad for people. But, you see, if you don't change and buckle down and see the seriousness that going to come out of these things, it might be too late. You see me? Please, like, share, subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And we again. Boom, 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 boom.